Good day, everyone. Today's topic is mirrors, and my group members are Sophia, Korede, Bukola, and Folum. Mirrors. This is a piece of special flat glass, so you see yourself when you look in it. We have three types of mirrors, two types of mirrors, plane mirrors and curved mirrors. Under curved mirrors, we have concave and convex. Key facts about plane mirrors. The images formed in a plane mirror is erect and not magnified. It can be big as you are. It is just the same size as you are. Virtual can be projected onto a screen. You can clearly see yourself in the mirror. Forms as far behind the mirror as the object in front of it, and it is laterally inverted.
So now, I'll be talking on characteristics of real images, virtual images, and parts of a mirror. So now, for real images, it is always inverted. It is formed on a photographic screen. Formation is by intersection of real or true rays, and not also rays of light actually pass through. For virtual images, it is always erect or upright. It cannot be formed on a photographic screen, and formation is by intersection of apparent rays. Also, rays of light do not pass, but they appear visible to the eyes. Parts of a mirror.
Parts of a mirror. There are actually 5 parts of a mirror. The first part is the optical center, which is also known as C. This is the point between the lens surfaces on its principal axis. Is the midpoint between the lens surfaces. Then the principal axis. This is the line passing symmetrically through the optical center of the lens. Then the principal focus, F. This is the point where all rays parallel and close to each other, close to the principal axis, converge and refract. That is also known as the focal point. Then the focal length is the distance between the principal focus and the optical center, C. Then focal plane. This is the plane that passes through F. It is perpendicular to the principal axis. As you can see, this is the principal axis here, the plane that passes through the optical center. Then this is the focal point, F, where all the rays converge, where all of them meet. Then this is the optical center or center of curvature, the middle. Then this is the focal plane. It passes through the points. Then the principal focus is the focal length.
Yes, so now we have the lenses. The lenses are simply the combination of two mirrors, either the concave, the convex, or the plane. The first one we have is the convex mirror, convex lens. This is the mixture of two convex mirrors to form a lens. Then we have the concave lens, which is a mixture of two concave mirrors to form a lens. Then we have the plano-concave lens. This is the mixture of a plane mirror, which is just a simple flat mirror, square-shaped, and a concave mirror to form a lens. And we have the concavo-convex lens, which is the mixture of a concave and a convex. A convex and a convex. Then we have the plano-convex lens, which is the mixture of a plane and a convex mirror. Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to be talking on total internal reflection in the natural atmosphere. So I'm sure all of us have watched those movies where you are in a hot desert and you start seeing two of one object or an object that is not really there. This can be explained by the phenomenon of mirages. A mirage is a natural effect due to total internal reflection occurring at the boundary of hot and cool air. Okay, so if you go to a beach, you realize that closer to the ground, the air is hotter than higher up in the atmosphere. So that cooler air is actually more dense than the hot air next to the bottom. So as rays of light move from a patch of sky or whichever source of light that is in the atmosphere at that moment towards the ground, it begins to bend and refract. So the rays travel from air layers of a higher refractive index to lower refractive index. So the rays therefore bend gradually from the incident direction until they enter a certain layer near the ground where the angle of incidence exceeds the critical angle and total internal reflection occurs, meaning that the rays reflect upwards and reach your eyes and cause you to see the tree and its inverted image. So the patch of sky will be reflected and it will appear as if you are seeing water. It mostly happens in the desert, but most people think it's just hallucination, but it's actually an effect of light.
And that is all for our project.
We are group 3.